Hi, I'm David from Blackbird Auctions. We're just outside Buffalo, New York, setting up for our March 20th auction sale at Alliance Innovative Manufacturing. This secured creditor sale will begin at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with this beautiful 34,500 square foot facility. The plant is full of late model CNC machine tools, manual equipment, an inspection lab, and much more. Highlights include this late model Okuma VTM 200YD 5-axis combination lathe and turning center. This is fit with a massive 80-inch rotary chuck. This machine will turn up to a 95-inch diameter workpiece with a 63 by 63 XY travel, and the Z travel is equal 55 inches.